y'all. So this is when you walk into the house. This is going up to the second unit. And I want y'all to guess what y'all think this unit gonna be. And then bam, we had a big ass wall right here. No, we didn't. No, yeah, we did for the living room. All right, but let's go to the kitchen first because it's starting to get dark. So I want to get this for y'all. So we had to adjust this kitchen to make it make sense because it's a small space. We have the fridge right here, so we moved it over there. That's gonna work out really nice. We put 2 lights here, stove right here. So we're gonna put some shelves and backsplash here, make it nice. Probably put the microwave up there. The sink is gonna go here. And then this is all gonna be countertop space. All is gonna be countertop space. So it's gonna be a lot of countertop space. Then you come to the bathroom. We removed everything. It's pretty dark. So we started putting the flooring in. So that's gonna be the flooring. You can't really see because of the lighting, but it has like gold tones in it. So that's the look I'm going for. This is the unit I'm really, really excited about. Look how big this space is. So this was a wall from here, I think all the way to where this is. It was a wall. And it was like doors right there, a door right there. So we right there, so we opened up this whole space, and I feel like it's a wow factor because you're gonna come up, we're gonna put a nice chandelier right there, we're gonna have a dining table right there. Oops. Then we got 6 recessed lighting. We're gonna have a nice little sofa, a TV, I think on this wall, maybe. And then this little nook, I like this little nook right here because we're gonna put a nice little statement piece right here, maybe a swing or something. As you know, you make way more money with themed Airbnb units. So I tell y'all all the time to invest in themed Airbnb units. So we're trying to figure out what color we're gonna do the wall. But on the camera, it's not showing what the real colors are. It look a little dark on the camera. But this is what I really like for the wall. This is what my sister likes. I feel like that's not even considered to be pink. This is giving like, it look red on camera, but it's really like a hot pink. And then I want to do the doors. Oh no, I'm good. And then I want to do the doors. So what I really want to do, right? Light pink on the walls, a darker pink on the doors, and whatever I put on the doors, match that to the trim. She wants white doors. So this is it. When you're working with a partner, you're not going to always get your way. You got to compromise. Y'all both got to be comfortable with whatever the finished product is, right? So these are looking red on the camera, but they're really pink. So tell me in the comment section down below, do you like 1 for the door? Do you like 2 for the door? Or do you like this one in the middle for the doors? Or 4 would be white. So would you go with white doors and trim with pink on the walls? Or would you go with the darker pink doors and trim with the light pink on the walls? And then tell me which color you guys like for the walls. Would you like number 1, which is what I like? Number 2 is what my sister picked out. She hasn't seen it on the wall yet, but I did do a lot of coats as well. We're probably just gonna do 1 coat or 2 coats. So I really like this for the wall because I feel like if you're gonna do something, just do it. You can't halfway do it. That's my thought process about it, but it's gonna be really big. And by now you probably guessed it, this is gonna be a pretty and pink unit. It's gonna be a nice pink Airbnb. We're gonna have a nice swing here. I love the little nooks because it allows you to do something because it's like not a normal thing. And then since the dining table is gonna be across like this, I'm thinking to have a beautiful accent wall here, just like we did downstairs with the black, like a nice pink accent wall. So I gotta get my imagination going so I can figure out what we're gonna do there. And then, so the second floor is just the living room, bathroom, the kitchen, and then you come to the 3rd floor. Here's the 3rd floor. We had a wall here, so they removed that. I think the previous landlord had this as 3 apartments for some reason. So we removed that wall because I want it to be nice and open. So you come in, there's a step, come down the step. And then this bedroom, we're actually not gonna use this bedroom as for a bed. We're gonna put a prop in here, and there's gonna be my surprise. I'm not gonna tell y'all what we're gonna put in here. You're just gonna see as we build it out. So this was a really, really tiny bathroom. We created a closet so that I could put a washer and dryer in here because remember, it's gonna be 2 units. So when the cleaner is coming up to clean this bedroom, she's not gonna have access to the basement if there's a guest in the first floor unit. So that means we need to have a washer and dryer here in each unit so she could do her linens and clean her towels and stuff. So we create a closet here. It's taken away from the bedroom, but we're not gonna be using that bedroom as a bedroom anyway, so it don't really matter. And then this bathroom, we're gonna have a shower. So I'm thinking to put a shower across this wall from here to here. No, the shower's gonna be from here to here. The toilet is gonna be over here. And then, no, the toilet's gonna be over there. And the vanity's gonna be here. Cause this was where the shower's gonna be. But then we realized the door's right here. We're gonna open the door right into the shower. So we had to do some moving around with that. This is gonna be a closet door for the washer and dryer. It's getting dark, so I'm trying to hurry up. And these bedrooms are pretty much gonna stay the same. This is gonna be my striped bedroom. I'm gonna do different shades of pink striped up on the wall. So 2 of those pinks that you saw down there are a light color and a dark color. We're gonna be doing light, dark, light, dark, light, dark with some gold accents. We're gonna put 4 recessed lighting here. The same flooring is going out throughout both units. Then we come here. This is the master bedroom. There's 2 entrances to this master bedroom. So this is gonna be the master bedroom. Again, we're gonna put a beautiful chandelier in here, 4 recessed lighting, and then this little nook, I was thinking maybe we could use it as a, you know, like if a couple is in here, they could, if we put like another bed here, the kids can go here and stuff like that. So I still have to figure out what I want to put here. I was thinking a telephone booth, but it's too big of a space for just a telephone booth. So I still have to figure that out. And then I'm gonna let y'all know what we gonna put here. 1. But yeah. Then this little closet is just gonna be our linen closet. We're gonna lock this door up, put our cleaning supplies, our linen closet for the cleaners to have access to. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, but I really need help with the paint because we need to start ordering the paint. So the next time I come, all the countertops for both kitchens are gonna be installed. So tell me which color pink you are messing with. I really like this one for the walls. This one, don't like at all because to me that's not even considered pink. And I did a lot of coats of this and not too many coats of that. So that's why this is looking really dark, but it's not really dark, okay? So, and then I want darker color pink for the doors. So I was looking at these for the doors. I think I like this one for the doors and trim, and even maybe a 3rd pink for the trim. So, like I said, partnerships are all about compromising. I want to just do Colortopia, but you know, we gotta talk about it and see what's gonna work. And this is gonna be a beautiful accent wall, kind of like the black wall downstairs, but I gotta come up with something different. Gotta get my creative juices and do a nice wall here because we're gonna have the dining table, so it's gonna be a statement piece. So when you walk upstairs, it's gonna be like, wow, that's when the guest first walks in. You wanna look to the right. You're gonna have a dining table right there with the beautiful chandelier over it with the accent wall right there. And then you're gonna have TV against the wall, whatever details, pink, 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 pink topia. Then we're gonna have a nice sofa. Then you're gonna be like, oh, okay, that's it. You're gonna come to the sofa, sit down, boom. You're gonna have a nice little swing right here. Beautiful flower depot, okay? I just can't wait to get these ideas out of my head because they've been in my head for over a year. So I'm really excited. But I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.